Let's learn how to control what ChatGPT remembers about you. Did you know that the ChatGPT remembers all your personal information when you're using the app? And now you can see how you can change or delete that information. First, let's open ChatGPT on your phone. When you open it, you can see in top left corner of the screen 2 horizontal lines and go to click on it. That will open to you a side menu, and look at the bottom of the screen and you can see 3 dots where you need to click. Now you will come on settings menu on ChatGPT, and in account section you can see a personalization option and click on it. Then on this page you can see a last file, manage memory, and open it. On this page you can see all information ChatGPT remembers to you. You can delete only one information by sliding to the left and click on bin button, and now forget it. If you want to clear all ChatGPT memory, look at the bottom of the screen and click on red button, clear ChatGPT memory, and confirm you want to clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.